Planning to explore Melbourne, but don't want to carry your bags all day? Radical Storage offers a convenient and secure way to store your luggage while you enjoy the city's attractions. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a Radical Storage point in Melbourne. Radical Storage partners with local businesses like hotels, cafes, and shops, ensuring your bags are safe and fully insured while you're free to explore. To ensure you're using the official Radical Storage platform, use the secure link in the description to access the website. Once there, type Melbourne into the search bar, and you'll find various storage locations across the city, including options near tourist spots, public transit, and Melbourne's downtown area. Choose the location that suits you best, and select your desired drop-off and pickup times. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions, giving you peace of mind when booking. Once your reservation is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your chosen storage point. On arrival, show your reference to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. And that's it. You're now free to explore Melbourne without the burden of your bags, knowing they're safe with Radical Storage. If you found this guide useful, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.